The historic Pierhead building in Cardiff Bay has hosted a choir of Ugandan orphans from the Kampala Children's Centre. The Grade 1 listed landmark came alive with the sound of drumming, singing and dancing as the children told their inspirational stories of hope through a unique performance. The Destiny Africa Choir is made up of 20 children aged 8 to 16 who have been orphaned or left with a parent who can no longer look after them due to war, extreme poverty or an AIDS-related illness.
What we are taking from here is anything is possible, because when you look at the background of our children, many of them have never even dreamed about coming from the village to Kampala. And here they are, not only in the UK, but at the Welsh Assembly. So when they go back, I think their horizons have been enlarged or widened. So they can go back knowing I can be anything, absolutely anything.
From our point of view, to have this group of young people who are so interested in democracy in Wales and very keen to talk to young people here about and what they can learn, it's just wonderful. I mean, it's a real experience just to be in their company.
It's the second time the choir has visited the National Assembly for Wales, and it has become renowned on the international stage.
Absolutely inspirational, fantastic. I mean, you feel the hairs on the back of your neck coming up, singing and dancing, and it's just wonderful.
As part of their visit, the children took part in a debate in the Assembly's old debating chamber, Siambr Hywel.
So what we've enjoyed most here at the Assembly is the educational part. Because some of our children want to be politicians, one of them wants to be the president of Uganda. So coming here is really, really inspiring.
It is something that I hold really dear to my heart, to see the positive development and enrichment of children. And I think that the children here in Wales and the links to the children in Africa have significantly gained from those cultural connections.
The visit ended with a children's performance to Assembly members, youth groups and the wider public at the Pierhead.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.